Hello friends, today our topic is HTTP methods. So there are various methods available as HTTP in the API testing. So today we will explain you few of them like get, post, put, patch, delete, etc. So let me explain you the first one, and this is get. The get method is used to retrieve information from the given server using a URI. Requests using get should only retrieve data and should have no other effect on the data. So while testing the API with get request method, you should make sure whether it will not make any changes on the data. Either it should only bring data from the server. That's it. Thereafter, we have post request. Post request is used to send data to the server. Example, user info, files, etc. with the help of different format. Thereafter, we have put request. Put request replace all the current representation of the target resource with the uploaded content. So basically, whatever data is present in the, let's say, profile section of a user, put will replace all the representation with the current data uploaded by the user from the front end. Thereafter, we have patch. Patch method is a request method in HTTP for making partial change to an existing resource. So, for the same example, like profile, partial data, few changes if you want to make, then in that case, patch request will be used. Not everything will be replaced here. Only the partial changes will be done. Thereafter, we have head. Same as get method, but it transfers the status line and the header section only. It works similar as get request, but it only transfers the status line and the header with the API request. Thereafter, we have delete request. Delete removes all the current representation of the target resource given by the URI. So these are few HTTP requests which is generally used for the application development, and we will be using these requests for the testing purpose in the upcoming video.